morning, Year 4. How are you? I hope you had a restful weekend and you are ready for another week. Can you actually believe that this week marks the ninth week of online learning? That means we've done 2 months of this, and this is the third month now. Honestly, I can't believe it because when we all went home because of this virus, I was actually hoping this was going to last for one, maximum 2 months. I didn't think we were going to actually do this for longer than that, but here we are doing it. You are doing, let me assure you that you guys are doing great, and so are your parents. And I think you should all be grateful for how supportive your parents have been. And at the same time, I would just like to prompt you to, take this seriously. This is just like a regular school, but happening online. So be responsible with your studies, with your deadlines, with your timings, okay? All right, brilliant. So, guys, today we have one assessment, which is a science assessment. You will start the day with English as usual. You will have spelling and handwriting. You know what to do for spelling. You can do it today. That's the best for you. If you can't do it today, you will have 1 week to submit, and that means you will have to submit it by Thursday, not Saturday. Thursday, guys. And handwriting. You will be practicing your handwriting. Please make sure you submit that today. No excuses. Right, guys, the second lesson, check your individual timetables, the same as the third lesson, and the fourth lesson will be the assessment. Guys, it starts at 12:20. It should be a short enough assessment, and it should be easy enough for you. So we will meet at 12:20 on Teams, and the assignment or assessment, the link will post on Teams at 12:20 as well. And then, guys, we just have the daily meeting at 1 o'clock where we're going to go and do a recap of our day today. And that's it. Guys, I hope you saw the timetable that I posted yesterday. Please make sure you save it. Please, I don't want to hear questions like when is social studies, what time is moral education. It's all in there. So please just make sure you save it so we don't waste each other's time. All right, perfect. So last week's riddle was right. What has many keys but can't open a single lock? And the answer was a piano. A piano has many keys, but these keys can't open any doors. And I've had 20 comments, which is quite good. We've had most of you commenting piano, Yalmas keyboard. Keyboard is an electric piano, basically. There's a key in their name, but they can't. Oh, okay. We had a very creative answer from Mohammed. He said there is a key in monkeys. There is a key in their name, but they can't open a lock. Very good. Keyboard, piano, most of you. Yeah, piano and keyboard, all of you. Very good. Now, right. I have another one for you, which is really good. What can you hold in your left hand, but you cannot hold it in your right hand? Once again, what can you hold in your left hand, but not in your right hand? Looking forward to seeing your answers. Please comment below. And today I'm going to make you laugh a little bit. I'm going to tell you some funny facts, okay? General funny science facts. Did you know that rabbits and parrots can see behind themselves without even moving their heads? Butterflies taste food by standing on top of it. Their taste receptors are in their feet, unlike humans who have most of their receptors on their tongue. So we taste food by tongue. Butterflies taste food by their feet. Most of the dust in your home is actually dead skin. Yuck. Did you know that although Stegosaurus dinosaur was over 9 meters long, imagine I am nearly 2 meters long, so imagine 9 meters. The brain of Stegosaurus was only the size of a walnut. That's very small, right? Humans get a little taller in space because there is no gravity pulling down on them. Did you know that because of the unusual shape of their legs, kangaroos and emus struggle to walk backwards? A hippopotamus may seem huge, but it can still run faster than a man. Okay. And even if an analog clock is broken, at least it shows the correct time twice a day. Oh, okay, this is like a riddle. All right, did you know that sneezing with your eyes open is impossible? Try to sneeze next time with your eyes open. And the last one, the trickiest tongue twister in the English language is apparently sixth sick, shake six sheep sick. Give it a try and see for yourself. Six sick, shake six sheep sick. All right, and that's all for today. See you all later. We are meeting at 1 o'clock.